Mr. Chairman, sir, and all the delegates who have come all the way from all countries of South Asia for this August gathering, and all persons who loved that education should be the basic part of the Rotary's activity, and all the persons who have today aimed that there will be a total literacy by 2017 in entire South Asia. Well, friends, in the beginning I was little worried because my number was after Sam Pitroda, but I think the technology has come to help me, and I am there to speak to you for a few minutes. Well, friends, from the morning we all are seeing that the Rotary South Asia Literacy Committee is making different kinds of efforts, different kinds of projects, different kinds of schemes to see that every Rotary club in every corner of the South Asia will get some material, will get some resource to see that every child in the South Asia will be literate. One of the important initiatives that this committee has taken is to adopt e-learning program for the schools for the last 2-3 years. Well, this program was initiated by Rotary District 3131, which belongs to Maharashtra. The program was initiated in Pune and Panvel area, and to our surprise, we got thunder response from the entire community that there were requests after requests to the Rotary clubs all over Panvel and Pune districts to establish Rotary e-learning centers into their areas. Well, we designed a particular scheme. We had 2 global grants, of which 2 clubs from America, USA, they became partner with Rotary District 3131, and we started this program in Pune districts and Panvel district, as I have told you. What this Rotary e-learning program means, we always call it as Rotary Mercedes-Benz e-learning center or Rotary ONGC e-learning center. This is how we name that particular center, and I will be reporting to you the statistics about it. But first of all, let us see, please go back. Let us see what are the requirements which are required for this e-learning center. Well, every center is provided with 1 computer. There is a software which is based on the school syllabus, and then we have about 150 different courses, career guidance courses, which are embedded into that software. The children who doesn't want to study after 10th standard by any sort of difficulty, if they want to take plumbing course, if they want to take electrician's course, well, there is a very good information which institutions will help them, what are the kind of resources that are required, and what are the details of that courses. Well, we also provide 1 projector for each and every school, whereby the projector is installed into a classroom, and about 50 to 100 students can always enjoy this e-learning school. I said enjoy this e-learning school. Well, friends, this is the correct word. Up till now, students always feel that education or going to the class or going to the school is a boring thing. Sometimes there are teachers whom students do not understand, and then by one reason or the other reason, students start bunking the classes, there is absenteeism, they drop out of the schools. But when this e-learning concept has been produced into in the schools, students started that education is an enjoyable experience. What are the contents which are given into this e-learning thing? First of all, there is a school curriculum from 1st standard to 10th standard. Then there is a science experiment virtual lab. There is an encyclopedia which is useful for the school. There is a planetarium, spoken English things, career guidance courses, as I have told you, and there is also a basic literacy program, adult literacy program, as we say. Next. What are the benefits? First of all, this particular project is running for last 3 years, so it's a sustainable project. And the learning becomes enjoyable experience in the schools. There is a definite reduction. I think the speed of the slides doesn't match to my presentation. The benefits of this e-learning things are very encouraging. We always give quality education at affordable cost. Right from the beginning of the sessions, we have always heard all the speakers telling that we need to give quality education, but that quality education should be at affordable cost. And this is what exactly this e-learning program has achieved up till now. All the rural schools are getting quality education at affordable cost. You will be surprised to note that there is an expenditure for the entire year for one student is 100 rupees. 100 rupees per year for one student is sufficient to give good quality education through e-learning. Then there is an improvement in the language in all the students. Even though there are teachers, you will always find that the students cannot understand their languages. They talk in a very different way, and you need to improve their languages. So there should be improvement into the languages. The most important factor that we have observed into this e-learning program, as there is a tremendous confidence in the rural youth about their future. They are always diffident when they go to the interviews. They are always diffident when they go to the community, and they feel that they don't have good education, they don't have good future. But once they go into this rural education e-learning program, they have tremendous confidence about themselves. And then this rural youth today is approaching to various competitive examinations. And the schools which have got these e-learning programs, they have a specific results that their students are getting more admissions into the engineering colleges. I think let us stop that presentation. I can talk from the speaker. So there is a confidence in the students, and we have seen that those students in the rural places, now they are appearing for the competitive examinations of engineering or medical entrance examination. Their percentage has also increased. When we started this program, first of all, there were some clubs outside this country who became partners for these things, for Rotary Foundation program. In the initial first year, 85% money came from the foundation global grants, and 15% money was contributed by the philanthropic persons or Rotary clubs or other means. Today I am very happy to tell you 95% money has come from the community, and only 5% money has been contributed by the Rotary clubs and the global grants. So you will understand the popularity of this program. More and more corporates are coming into this program. I can tell you Tata Motors has contributed, and they have shown willingness to participate into this program. Mercedes-Benz is coming up with CSR funds, and they say that out of our funds, please start some of the e-learning centers. Piago, Bajaj Auto has promised 50 lakhs of rupees for this particular program, and they want to initiate this program in a big way into the Nagpur area. TCS has been partnered with Rotary, and you will listen to the TCS contribution for our adult literacy program in the next session. Cognizant Technology, ONGC, Serum Institute, and there are many, many corporates who are now coming for participation with the Rotary in this e-learning project. What is the trick? Each and every district, each and every Rotarian can do this thing. So when we start one e-learning center, we always invite the chief guest of the another company to inaugurate that program. Then he contributes some money. When we start the second e-learning center, we call the third corporate to come into for inauguration, and they start another e-learning center. So this chain always continues, and I will tell you, please check up all the kit which has been given to you. There is one particular CD which has been given into every kit. There is a demonstration about the e-learning program. Each and every Rotarian can show this demonstration into the schools available into their nearby areas, and they will understand how this program runs. There is also another program called as Adult Literacy Program. It is available into 9 different languages. All this software has been given into your CDs. You can copy these CDs, distribute to your clubs, distribute to all the schools, and then you will find that there will be more and more participation of corporates and Rotary clubs into this program. Thank you.